We are born to learn, and we all learn at our own pace. The people who know us best help us make the connections that keep us engaged and growing. They see our strengths and help us build on them. They see where we get stuck and help us find our way. When we are lost, not connecting the dots, or not being challenged enough, they don't just know we're struggling, they know why. And that makes all the difference. When you ask the right questions to reveal what we've learned, you can help us make connections, navigate roadblocks, and find bigger challenges. When you understand what we know, the places where we need help, and what we're ready to learn next, we can reach our full potential. It all starts by measuring what matters.